Chris, where are we?
Surprisingly,
Las Vegas, baby! We made it. We just arrived to Las Vegas and we're going to have an amazing all-girls track day today. I'm meeting up with my friends Lindsay Brewer and Samantha Tan. Now I've known Lindsay for years. I think almost a decade now. We both started go-kart racing in Colorado literally a decade ago. So I've known of her for a really long time. I've also known of Samantha, but never actually met her in person. We've been social media friends for years. So it's gonna be really fun. We're gonna have a lot of supercars to pick from at Dream Racing in Las Vegas. Now I did a huge event at Dream Racing like 7-8 years ago, so I'm really excited to be back. It should just be a fun, chill girls' day at the track. You know, girls' day for the most part. And we got Chris, but you know, same. He's a girl. He's a girl. This is gonna be really, really fun. Lindsay was organizing this get together. And I'm excited to get on the track. It's been a while. It's been a really long time since I've gotten behind the wheel of a supercar on track, but today's the day. Wow, the wind and we were coming in here was a little insane, so we probably won't be doing much talking outside because the audio would just be completely inaudible. Yeah, I'm really excited. I think right now we're gonna figure out what cars we're driving. I don't know if we're just picking out what car we want or they're telling us, so I'm gonna figure that out. But it is just super cool to be back here at Dream Racing because, like I said, I haven't been here in like 8 years, and there's still a lot of familiar faces around, so we're gonna get on track very soon.
if you had to pick a car on that thing, honestly, have you seen them all?
Yeah, so I've never heard of the KTM Expo GT, never heard of it. Apparently it's one of the newer cars that they just got into Dream Racing. Wild, it looks like a prototype. I know nothing about it, well, except for what it says right here. I know nothing about it except that it's 530 horsepower rear-wheel drive. That sounds fun. I wonder how much it weighs. 0 to 60 in 2.7 seconds. And it goes 200 miles per hour. So I don't know if that one's even an option for today. I think Lindsay's gonna drive that one. But that one's pretty. The GT2 RS. 0 to 60 is the same actually as the KTM. The GT2 RS is in 2.7 seconds with 211 miles per hour. And the Expo is actually 2.7 with only 200 miles per hour. That's crazy. I always forget how fast the GT2 RS is. That's why Adam's not ever gonna do one. Not allowed.
Why?
They're so fast. Like there's no reason, there's no real reason to own a GT2 RS on the regular road. Like who needs to go that fast on the highway? No one.
Me.
You. I didn't film this. When we were in the airport, I had to wear my helmet to board the plane. I filmed like a really fast story because I had 3 bags. I had my carry-on, my backpack, and my helmet bag. And the one girl just whispered to me, she's like, put it on. So I had to go like this and give the girl my ticket in order to board the plane. So yeah, that's how this trip started. It was great. Hey, hack though, if you're carrying your helmet bag and they won't let you on, just put it on your head and then you'll be fine.
I love it.
These are fresh shoes.
I'm rolling. Oh.
Got some freshies on today. Finally got some new neon yellow OMP racing shoes.
Clack them like
Dorothy?
Yes.
Right.
That is not what she does.
How do you do it?
Oh
How do you do
my gosh. The heel, girl. The heel.
Duh. Like that?
No. Oh.
Do it. Like that?
It's like no place like home.
Ew.
Gosh.
You made me look so dumb.
You went like this. You went.
I know. So the very first car I think I'm driving is a Lamborghini Huracan. We're gonna start there and maybe work our way up. All right, let's go. That car's so crazy. I felt like I drove like shit that time, to be honest. Your new car
close it.
God, I kept thinking that one was so much tighter than it was every time, and I felt myself every lap. I was like, damn it, damn it. Have so much fun, girl. You probably won't be able to hear any of this here. Welcome to our studio. This is how we talk outside when it's windy. That was amazing. I think that's the first time I've ever driven a Huracan on track. It's still so weird to me to be in like the stock car with a regular seatbelt and no helmet, just sending it on the track. But that was really awesome. It was really fun. I definitely felt the car get a little squirrely at times, but it felt great. I think I did, what, like four?
You did four laps.
And I didn't know beforehand that, well, I found out right when I came outside that we're doing time trials. So that was my first time out on track in a sports car in many years, but these pros better get better time than James here. James Davison is here. I haven't properly introduced him yet. So he's a sports car driver, but this is a girls' day. So the girls better take that #1 spot. I think we have, what, Samantha left?
Samantha's left.
Okay, and then we'll get times, but that was really awesome. It's nice to be back.
The studio.
Bye from our studio.
Who thinks Sam's gonna get the best time?
Probably. You guys were close last time, right? Wasn't it?
I was faster by 1/10 last time, so we were exactly the same, but I felt like I didn't drive very well this last session. It was a little squirrely, and I feel like I blew my lap time a couple of laps, so I have a feeling she'll get it this time. She's a really good driver too.
You guys all do sports cars?
She does.
Okay.
They're both really good drivers.
Yeah, we all
They're
do.
both really good drivers.
Too.
So noisy too.
Yeah,
Every time it was a little squirrely in the back, you could just hear it. And I was just trying to like hear that constant scroll through a corner. I'm like, oh, we're fine. How was it?
Pros, very fast, sounds amazing. Cons, a little bit undisturbed.
Okay, so I'm actually gonna get a ride along first so I can see how the car is supposed to feel, how it's supposed to drive, and then I'll switch and get behind the wheel.
Back to the gas to set the rear again.
Got it.
So yeah, we've got Trofeo R tires. Pretty grippy. So like right here, if I chop the throttle, that rear's gonna come around. Understeer. And you felt that rotate because I was off throttle. And right here, just gotta trust the tire grip. Lift for just a little bit right there. I like to let it run wide, and then I drive down here so I can get a cleaner exit off. And just build your throttle all the way up. Grip up, there we go. Do a little trail brake. And then right here, just build your throttle nice and progressive. You don't ever get to full throttle until we got the wheel straight. You feel the front end pushing up.
Trailing off there.
Just a dab of the brake to set the nose. And then right there. So a little bit of brake to set the nose. And it looks like I can stay in it from here. And then straight line. Right, we'll come forward. Alright, Collette, we got ourselves about 5 laps in the Porsche 911 GT2 RS. Here you go. Pull on the brake, push that top down all the way down the drive, and left over for manual mode. Perfect. Let's head on out. A little bit of gas engages the clutches.
Good?
Yep. Pump shift second. About 30 miles an hour, get a feel for that brake pedal. So now you feeling like Porsche's like a firm brake.
Yeah.
You
That's
almost,
the same in the GT.
you almost,
right?
yep, you almost have to beat it. Like you almost have to beat up on it. You're looking clear, Collette. You can roll on through those cones. And we'll upshift third as we get on track. We'll start feeding our gas in. Tires are already hot. Start driving down to your apex. Start rolling your throttle 60, 70% all the way out to the left hand side. Straight line, firm brake. Release, turn in, run over that apex, exit right hand side track and roll that throttle. Little dab of the brake coming in, then release, turn in. So just a hair later turn in there, okay? Get turned in right, continue to roll your throttle all the way out to the left hand side. 60, use that whole road next time, 100% gas, upshift fourth. And firm brakes, good. Release, turn in, exit mid track. Trust the car there, okay? Roll that throttle. We've got our compound tires, okay? Keep going, keep her digging all the way up to the left hand side. Straight line, firm brake, downshift. Good. Release, let it run wide. A little bit of gas there, Collette. Now turn down to that apex, start rolling that throttle. 50, 60, 70, 80, 100% all the way up. Yep. But try to stay off of it. It can yank the car. Throttle 60, 70, 80, 90, 100%, 100% all the way up. Go, 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 go. Upshift. Good. Keep going, Collette. Keep going, keep going. Upshift. Keep going, keep going, keep going. And hard brakes. Good. 56. Downshift. Start to release that brake. Slight turn. All the way to the right. Trust the car there. Roll that throttle. So we want about 10 mile an hour faster through there, okay? Let it run deep. Now turn down and start rolling that throttle. 30, 40% gas. Collette. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100%. Keep going, keep going. Straight line. Firm brakes. Good. Release. Turn in. Trust the car. We've got our compound tires. Trust them, okay? A little dab of the brake. Release. Trust the car. There you go. Turn in. Now get turned in right. Use the whole road. Build your throttle. 70, 80, 90, 100%. Upshift forward. Keep her digging. A little bit of brakes. Release, release. Off the brake. Collette. Turn. Roll that throttle now. 80, 90, 100%. Staying it through that right hander. Keep going. Keep going all the way to the left. Brake it. Downshift. Good. Start to release. Let it run wide. Let it run wide. You're good. Keep going. Keep going. Now turn down. Start rolling your gas. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100% all the way to the left. Go, 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 go. Upshift. There we go. Keep her digging. Keep her digging. Upshift. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Hard brakes. Downshift. Downshift. Start to release that brake. Release and turn. Release and turn. Roll that throttle all the way to the right. Collette. Roll it. Roll it. Roll it. Little dab of the brake coming. Good. Release. Turn in. Now start rolling your throttle again. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Keep building. More. 100%. 100%. Firm brake. Good. Release. Turn in. Run over that apex. Get all the way to the right. Collette. Roll that throttle. Come on. Come on. Come on. A little bit of brake. Release. Turn in. There you go. You got it. Get turned in right. Continue to roll your throttle all the way out to the left. 30, 40, 70, 80, 90, 100%. Upshift forward. Keep going. Keep going. A little bit. Release. Release. Turn. Release. Turn. Roll that gas. There you go. Staying it through that right hander. Keep her digging. Keep her digging all the way to the left. Straight line. Firm brake. Downshift. Let it run wide. Off the brake. Off the brake. Let it run wide. So you can brake just a little later there, okay? Turn all the way down. Start rolling that throttle. 70, 80, 90, 100% all the way out. Go for it. Go for it. Upshift. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Past the 3 marker. Keep going. Keep going. Now hard brakes. Downshift. Downshift. Good. Start to release that brake nice and smooth. Unwind to the right. Roll that throttle. A little bit of brakes coming in. Good. Release. Now start turning. There you go. Start rolling your throttle. Nice and smooth. 40, 50, 70, 80, 90, 100% all the way to the left. Straight line. Firm brakes. Collect. Good. Release. Turn in. Release. Turn. All the way to the right. Roll that throttle. Little dab of the brake. Release. Wait for it. Turn in. Get your eyes up. There you go. Get turned in right. Look for your exit out. Roll that throttle. 100% all the way out. Use that whole road. Coming back and wash back. Upshift forward. Firm brakes. Good. Release. Turn in. All right, Collette. We'll take it nice and chill.
And I keep this one. I have the least amount of confidence in that
You
one
do.
right there. And every time I'm like, come on, just do a little more. Man, this car, like,
So-
surprisingly, I was expecting this to feel a lot squirrelier.
Well, we're on the new Trofeo our tire.
Okay.
So and it just got tires a couple days ago.
Is that what tire is that? Is that
That's the race
spec,
compound.
The spec one for the series?
No, the Trofeo R is their DOT race compound.
Okay.
So it's like a Hoosier, like
Okay.
an R7.
Okay. Did it semi-slip or?
Kind of. It's in the same tier as like the Michelin Sport Cup 2s, the 2Rs.
Okay. Yeah, I really only know like Kumo tires. I only drive on Kumos, but
The V720 that the ACR has,
okay.
like that.
Okay, interesting.
I run the newbies. I run the newbies 730.
So when I got into this, I was like preparing myself for this monster of a car. But with this tire that's on it right now, the tire is so grippy that it really felt like I was driving the GT3 RS from a power perspective. But the car was just so planted, so rigid. I just need to get better at trusting the tire. I didn't trust fully like the grip that was in the actual tire itself, but I love it. The tire that's on this one right now is more like the V720 Kumo tire compound that I have on the RX-8 currently that I've only drifted on a couple times, but it's a drippy boy, it's a drippy car. I think I need a Porsche now. How was it?
Amazing.
I just drove the father of this car.
Oh yeah, the GT2 RS?
So good. It was so good.
All right,
you gotta drive it if you can. Lindsay just got back to the KTM.
It's so fun because you can actually like hit the brakes and it doesn't lock up.
Time difference between
God,
that and the Huracan.
I don't know.
Trying to take like cute girl photos, and I mean it's not working out that well. We got to drive some really cool fast cars, and it was just fun having like all the girls get together. I haven't seen Lindsay in at least a couple years, and I've actually never met Samantha in person yet. We've just been like social media friends, so it was really cool getting everyone together.